Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best streaming devices for your TV? If yes, then you have come to the right platform. Here we will tell you about the full installation process of Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen. In this video we will tell you everything from product unboxing to setup. Firstly, we will unbox the Xiaomi TV Box. Inside the Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen box, you will find the TV box itself, a Bluetooth remote control, an HDMI cable, a power adapter, and a user manual for setup instructions. The remote comes with a built-in Google Assistant button for voice control. You get everything needed for setup in this box. So let's start the setup process. In the first step, take the HDMI cable that comes with the Xiaomi TV box. Insert one end into the HDMI port on the Xiaomi TV box. Insert the other end into an HDMI port on your TV. Remember which HDMI port you used, e.g., HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Now take the power adapter included in the box. Plug one end into the power port on the Xiaomi TV box. Plug the other end into a wall socket or a power strip. The TV box should turn on automatically. If not, press the power button on the remote. Use your TV remote to turn on the TV. Press the input or source button on your TV remote. Select the HDMI input where your Xiaomi TV box is connected, e.g., HDMI 1. Now, the Xiaomi logo should appear on the screen. Now insert AAA batteries into the Xiaomi Bluetooth remote. The screen will prompt you to pair the remote. Press and hold the home and OK buttons together for a few seconds. Once paired, you can control the TV box using the remote. Select your language and region on the screen. Connect to Wi-Fi by selecting your network and entering the password. Sign in with your Google account. This allows access to Google Play Store, YouTube, and other apps. Once setup is complete, you'll be on the Android TV home screen. Open the Google Play Store to download apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney, Amazon Prime Video, etc. Use Google Assistant on your remote for voice commands. Now, you can watch movies, TV shows, and play games on your TV using the Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.